Hey there, my name is Mrs. Campbell, Nikki Campbell, principal here at East River High School. I just want to say hello, welcome. We are so excited that you guys are joining us this evening for our virtual open house. And hopefully you can look back on these videos anytime you need it to say hello to our teachers and just to kind of know what's going on in each of your students' classes.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kennedy and I am the newest assistant principal here at East River High School. I have been with Orange County Public Schools for about 5 years, but this is my first year at East River. I oversee biology, I oversee 11th and 12th grade English, a handful of social studies, anything CTE related. You can certainly come to me, and then just discipline as well. So you may see my name or hear my face as far as if there should be any disciplinary concerns. My passion is definitely students and making sure that they are successful for the future. So making them college ready and making sure everybody has a job lined up after school, a tech college lined up after school, 4-year school, whatever you want to do, making sure that each one of you students has a choice. And then my passion is, again students, my promise is to really treat every single one of you as if you were my own kid. I have found that if I really stick true to treating you and your students the way I would want my child treated, then everything typically goes smoothly in the way it should be. So treating you with respect and kindness and love, but sometimes also being that hard line to have some difficult conversations. But I do hope that you guys have a wonderful, successful year, COVID and all, and I am really looking forward to being part of East River. Go Falcons!
So this year we have 2 educational models going on simultaneously. We have Launch Ed students, which are working from home, along with our face-to-face students, which are working here on campus. So the same expectations kind of apply to all of our students, which is we want to make sure that you guys are participating, engaging, and making sure that you are ready to be on track to graduate. So students that are at home, make sure you are answering when your teacher asks you a question, make sure you have that camera on, and make sure if you need help that you are asking for help. And our students that are here on campus, all the same things. Make sure you ask for help, make sure you are participating, because again, we are here for one reason, and that is to get an education.
Go ahead, you're good.
Hi, my name is Mr. Russell. I oversee the math department, performing arts, PE, which everyone loves, and the foreign language department. We're so happy that you have allowed us to educate your kids here at East River High School, where our main thing is graduation, because that is our business. So hopefully your kids have a great year. If you need anything, just call me, holler at me. I'll be here all year.
So a little about open house being virtual. We would love for you to follow your students' bell schedule. So you will open up their Canvas, go into the video that you see for the teacher, and you would watch first period, then you would go to second period, watch the video, third period, and so forth. If you ever have questions about the course, you are welcome to reach out to the teacher now that you've seen their video and have access to their email through Canvas, or of course you can visit our school website at erhs.ocps.net to get any teacher information that you need. So enjoy, get to know your students' teachers, and again, reach out if you have any questions.
Hi, good evening. I'm Miss Fugate. I'm one of the assistant principals here at East River High School. We want to welcome you to our first ever virtual open house. And I am the assistant principal of instruction, which means I oversee the master schedule and all of your student scheduling needs, and all of the guidance counselor as well. So I am located in the Student Services Department in the middle of all of our guidance counselors, and College and Career Center too. I also oversee the English 9 and 10 department as well. So if you have any questions or concerns about any of that, please feel free to reach out to me, jennifer.fugate@ocps.net. Thank you, have a great night.
So last year, our school theme was Find Your Fire, and it was based off of this book here, and I just want to read a quick quote to you. At 211 degrees, water is hot. At 212, it boils. And with boiling water comes steam. And with steam, you can power a locomotive. So that's what we've kind of been talking about for the last year with the 212 to give it that extra degree. So this year we've moved forward with igniting your passion. So our teachers have it, our students have it. We want to make sure everyone is following what they're passionate about and making sure that they are always working at 212 degrees. And my passion is for our kids and for our community and every single person that I serve.